Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you could see that, well, our trading plan yesterday was, let's say, partially has been completed. It's just because indeed we were right on the direction that market has moved slightly lower, but unfortunately we have missed with the level where theoretically might be chance for taking the position, because market was not able to form pullback to the confluence. It actually was just the 3-8 retracement, and euros keep going lower. Based on the daily chart, things that we see currently, it's obvious that we are watching for XOP target. It really stands very close to the current price action, and it will work like the magnet to attract the price to the downside. Market is not at oversold, not on the daily chart, as you can see oversold here, not on the weekly chart. So here we don't have any significant levels because 106.11, the upper border of the weekly confluence, was right there. So market right now stands below it, and XOP stands slightly above 104.35. It's lower border of the confluence. So in general, we should treat it as a single level, but probably inside of the level, maybe this will be some easier action for the market. And that's on the daily chart. Our target right now is 104.75. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. We have this long-lasting channel, and here is an interesting moment that market actually is testing the border. Every time it has happened previously, you can see that we have some different pullbacks, so either to the middle of the range or even to the upper border. In recent two pullbacks, it was to the middle of the range. Now, well, at least we should keep in mind that this theoretically might happen. And despite that we are not considering taking a new long position, the short entry might be from the slightly higher standing few levels rather than it was yesterday. Besides, market now is getting some relief from the important data that had been released last week. So the Fed stands behind, European Central Bank meeting stands behind, inflation data stands behind. So today we will get just the durable orders. Tomorrow we will get some bulk of the statistics, inflation from the Europe and Germany, and price consumption expenditures. So final revision of the gross domestic product hardly will make impact on the market, but personal consumption expenditures might make impact. And from that standpoint of view, if it will be slightly supportive to euro currency, inflation in Germany, for example, will be slightly lower. Some bit weaker numbers in the United States, or pullback really could get some background from the fundamental short-term fundamental data, and actually it might show some more significant pullback. So just keep in mind and watch for the performance, watch for the levels that market will try to complete. Here's from the probability point of view, we just suggest that here retracement might be a bit deeper. So based on this performance, we even could suggest where it could reach, somewhere. If we'll take a look, some average pullback to the middle of the range, it might be somewhere to 106.46 based on this chart. If we'll take a look at the hourly chart, what we have, we don't have 106.46, just stands above this area, but we have confluence 106.27, approximately 106.30. Confluence and previous lows. Once again, the same area that we were considering and watching yesterday, but this time it just might be some a bit more extended retracement. I'm not even exclude that if we are correct on this suggestion, and who knows, maybe we'll get even this minor head and shoulders and shoulder head support action. So some ABCD pullback right to the 106.30. That's easily might happen. From that standpoint of view, for taking new short position, I would prefer to sit in the hands for some time and see what will happen, at least for some retracement as it was yesterday, and then make the decision depending on the market performance. So watching for these major two levels, 106 and 106.30. For the long entry, I wouldn't consider taking any long position on the higher time frames, on the daily, on the full time frame chart probably. But if you're a scalp trader and you would like to take position with a possible pullback to the 106, 106.30 here on the hourly chart or even on the lower time frame, you could try to do this. Just get the pattern, because yes, you have some context. You have short-term bullish trends turning up, so full time frame chart also could turn up very soon. We have the divergence in place right there, you can see. And if you drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart, you probably could recognize here starting to form the hand and shoulders. So just keep an eye on right there. So it might be shoulder, head, another shoulder. You could try to use it. Well, the risk will be very small for this trade if you would like to. But for our trading plan, for our setup, since we're mostly trading on the high time frames, we're not considering this because we do not have sufficient context for taking the long position. That being said, for us, the only solution right now is just wait for reaching of these levels, consider and make assessment on whether it makes sense to take the short position here, and just react on the retracement correspondingly. So if we will get the hand shoulders, it means that we could get deeper retracement. We should wait a bit more, waiting for a high standing level. If we will not get it, and market will show this pullback right to the 30 level, well, maybe we will try and attempt to take the minor short position with a smaller size around 106 and see what will happen. So something of this sort. So our major direction right now is down. That's actually what we have currently in euro currency. So let's keep watching how it will go